How to save project in Picsart. Want to save your work to come back later? Here's how to save your project in Picsart. After editing, click the File menu and select Save Project. Give your project a clear name so you can find it easily later on. Picsart saves your work with all layers and edits intact for future updates. You can save locally on your computer or to your Picsart cloud account. Remember to save often to avoid losing progress during long sessions. Do you save multiple versions of your project? Share your workflow in the comments below. Use cloud saving for easy access on other devices or browsers. And that's how you can save project in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.